Welcome to a What I Eat on a Day. I'm going to be showing you everything I eat today, which I'm guessing is going to be a lot of food because I'm on my period. Luckily, it's my second day. Yesterday, all I did was sleep and eat. I was in so much pain. Cramps just suck. You know, we're literally about to hit 10k. That's Cookie barking, by the way. We're just going to try to ignore her. I'll just catch you later. So it's 4 p.m. right now and I'm gonna be making my lunch. And for lunch I was thinking of making like a sesame, peanut, noodly sort of a salad. What is this? Of a salad and okay, I don't even remember what I just said. But yeah, I'm gonna make my food now. I'm so hungry. Okay, voiceover me is back, and the reason I didn't remember anything I said prior was because I went on a 15-minute rant on stupid topics which have not been included in this video to spare you all from my hormones. And the rant was so random that I just forgot everything I said after I had said it. And trust me, my period hormones and me being hungry on top of that is not a good combination. So just thank me for that. For lunch, like I said, I made a noodle salad with a peanut tahini dressing. First, I grated half a carrot, a cucumber and paneer. I roughly chopped a few green beans and then made my dressing with tahini, crunchy peanut butter, soy sauce, sriracha, honey, vinegar, chili flakes and the tiniest pinch of salt, mixed well and then folded in my grated veggies as well as some shredded cabbage.
Headed for the limelight, ain't just hype, just not overnight. I take my advice, I'm gonna do this right, feeling nice. What's the price?
I overcooked the buckwheat noodles a little bit, so I just put them on the side instead of mixing them so they wouldn't break down, and I also topped the entire thing off with some sesame seeds. I am very well aware this doesn't look the best, but it tasted really freaking good. I mean, isn't that the reason I practically made variations of this same exact thing every single day in my past What I Eat in a Week?
Like a love. She's a Mona Lisa.
Ooh, dessert. I was craving Nusskens so bad. These are nut corners, very popular in Germany, luckily available in bakeries here too, and I am honestly in love with them. I think they're one of my favorite desserts ever, if not my ultimate, and I have loved them ever since I was a kid. Now easy, I could have just ordered them, but where's the fun in that? Keep in mind, these are not exactly the traditional ones. I have tweaked them according to the ingredients I had in hand, and we'll just call them nutty cookie pizza. I mean, we'll call it a nutty cookie pizza. So first, I made my cookie dough from all-purpose flour, powdered sugar, baking powder, butter and a chia egg. You can easily use a normal chicken egg if that's what you want. I placed this dough in the fridge while I chopped and roasted a combination of nuts. Here I used cashews, almonds and hazelnuts. I roasted them until they were crunchy and smelled heavenly. I flattened the dough into a big pizza cookie, molded the sides and baked for about 15 minutes in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, I made my caramel nutty layer to go on top of the cookie. I melted some sugar with water, added a tablespoon of butter and mixed very well, scraped the sides too and added a 1/4 cup of heavy cream and my toasted nuts.
You find the beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. Let me paint a picture.
I didn't let these get to that caramel stage because this is gonna go in the oven, so we don't want to overcook the sugar and burn it. I took the cookie out of the oven.
You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that who really care what Simon say. All the bad things, girl, I had to look.
Spread the caramel nuts on top and put it back in the oven for another 15 minutes or till the nutty caramel is golden brown on top. Finally, I drizzled a lot of melted dark chocolate on top. Also, if you want, you can also drizzle on some tahini. I think that would work really well too. I also sprinkled a little bit of salt and that's done.
There must be something about the features. You'll find the beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's standing up.
Being the impatient person that I am, I gave it only 5 minutes to cool and then dug in. Damn, that looks so good. I was literally so shook at how delicious they tasted. I had 3 of these on their own and then made myself an oatmeal bowl as well. I microwaved oats and cooked barley in water. Then mixed in a scoop of salted caramel protein, microwaved again and chopped one of these nut corners roughly into big chunks.
Side of the blue, looking out for a half side to the truth. 'Cause don't it feel like
I topped my oatmeal with pomegranate seeds, my nut corners,
now the only consolation?
peanut butter and melted dark chocolate.
Got it right, and in that flash,
We cannot forget the chia seeds and wow, beautiful.
wasted time because this life is brief.
So that was everything I ate on the second day of my menstrual cycle, also known as periods, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!